Hi, me again. I want to show you how to make connecting Google Classroom to Pearson really easy and even simpler for the kids to access it through Google Classroom. If you haven't already, see, like Kristen and I've already, we shared our Google Classrooms with each other so we could help each other out and help Miss Flick out too. But if you haven't already, you just go in here. I might have skipped a step. So when you're in this one, you're going to go to Realize. You're going to go to Classes. And then here are your classes. Go ahead and click Connect to Google Classrooms, and you're going to send assignments out. Every time you want to send an assignment out, you're going to sync it with the Google Classroom. It's going to make it really easy. So like if I wanted to connect to Miss Flick's class, I'm going to just choose all the ones I want to connect to. I'm just going to click second grade for now, and then I'll undo it for you, Miss Flick. And then once I'm done here, finish and view classes. So then it should pop up here. Okay, so then once you're there, you can then make assignments through here. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to make an assignment in here. Whatever we are teaching, and this week I believe we are teaching Unit 4, week 3 maybe? I can't remember, but this is where when you see these different things and it has a sign, you click assign, and then over here is where you're going to click classroom. So you can type your name, and you want the one that has a little Google Classroom symbol, not the 11 reading, not that one. You want this one that looks like your Google Classroom. Okay. Once you do that, you can enter it as your name. And like lately I've been doing, you can title it here, required. You can change the name here. Because like that's what I'm helping my kids, like this is one that you need to do, and this is for Thursday. Okay, start date, and I'm going to make it start Thursday because it's Thursdays, and I can go erase it. I just want to use this as an example. So you have to start and end. You can give instructions, complete activities at the end of the story or whatever. Okay, once you click assign, see now I already got it here. Once you click assign, it'll shoot it over to Google Classroom. That's right, it's already in there. Let me show you. And since I didn't start the assignment until the Thursday, it should not appear. Dun, 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 dun. It's already scheduled for Thursday. So see, I can still delete it. So that's how you get the assignments in there. Okay. Once you have an assignment in there, if you want to look at them, easy way to check and see if they're done. Now it does take a little time, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be quicker. I'm going to go back to my classes. I'm going to go to my assignments because I have some assignments that I have already done, and if you can see, I can see who's finished and who has not finished. Some of these are old because I was still trying to figure it out months ago, but now I have to, so haha. Okay, so I can go to check for understanding. Right now, look, I can see how many completed, how many in progress, how many not started. I click on it, it shows me all my kids. I can filter and go, okay, the ones who did it online and finished, there they are. If I click on them, I can look at their activities and see what they did. And it shows me, even if they highlighted text, like in the textbook, even if they see like Caleb did this check for understanding, they have repeating and rhyming, they're organized, I see that. So it's done. And then I can click score and check and go, whoop, and it gives them a score and sends it back to them. So like I can say, okay, Caleb, way to go. You did great. So I think it has to be a numerical score. So if you want to just give them 100 for completion and let the parents know that you can do. Okay. I'm going to just cancel that. Continue without saving. So that's kind of something cool, I thought. And then I also noticed there was another thing that was really cool, and I wanted to grade it, show y'all how I graded it, but I already graded it, so it might be hard. But Play around with that, guys. You can click on each kid. And sorry, my mother-in-law has my kids. So you can see who started it, who's not started it. You can still review it. Even if they haven't finished and turned it in, you can still see what they've done. That's right. So she's started it, but she did not complete it. So that's just kind of a cool thing that you can do, and it shoots it right over. On the kids side, when they click on it, their classwork, and all they have to do is click on the link, and it takes them straight through their Pearson. Like I can show you Caden's. So like I've been using Caden as my sample student. But when he clicks on it, if he's logged into his Launchpad, even if he's not in Pearson, he's logged into his Launchpad, which he has to be in Google Classroom. He just clicks on his name, it takes him there, and it takes him straight to that assignment. Oh, that's an old assignment, but these are all the assignments that I have sent to him via Google Classroom, and all the assignments. So it's just really cool that he can do that. So I'll send you the video for the parent side too, so if you want to share that with them, because it shows them how to finish the activities. But let me know if y'all have questions. Sorry it was a bit rambly, but I hope this helps. And if you need more help, call me. My phone's on me all the time. I'll answer if I'm available. But call me and I can walk you through whatever. Okay? You guys, miss you. Hopefully this will be over in May.